Hi guys. Well, here I got this motorcycle problem. Seems like my bike fell and I broke the shifter peg off of my motorcycle here. Unfortunately, when that happens, I either got to do one of two things. I either got to buy a new shifter, or I got to get a tow truck to tow my bike somewhere, home or wherever, a flatbed or whatever. So now I'm kind of screwed up because I don't have a spare shifter. So I got to come up with something that'll work. So what I came up with was there's this invention out there. So all you do is just take it. It's a preset. Take it, slide it on your current shifter. All right. Tighten it up with the Allen key. Yeah. You just tighten it up there. Just don't over tighten it. And then look at there. Holy crap. We got a new shifter on there. New shifter peg anyway. So what's great about these is that they come in two different types. This one here is the one for like a straight arm shifter lever, all right? And then there's another type for those shifter arms that are, you know, you've seen the ones that have that little curve in there for no reason. I don't know why they started manufacturing them that way, but you know, it has this little curve here for no reason. Anyway, this one you can utilize for those. It's not as long, as you can see, as the other ones, but that's just so that it can get on there without having to be obstructed by the curve. So let me just tighten this one here in the same fashion that I did the other one. And it goes on. Nice and easy. You don't have to over tighten it, and it's good to go. Slip-on shifter. Can't beat that. It's a good price too. So as you can see, it's still on there. Just want to give it a little spin, test it out a little bit. Be right back. That's it. That's all there is. Slip-on shifter.